Hello and welcome back to the English Zone channel. Today we will listen to a story about a woman named Emma. Emma will talk about things she does in her free time. The story will be from Emma's perspective, so Emma will be telling her story. You will learn some new words, grammar, and you will practice speaking. Are you ready to learn the easy way? Let's go. Emma's free time. My name is Emma, and I live in New York. I work in a small cafe. My job is busy, but I like my free time after work. After work, I usually go home at 6 p.m. I sometimes cook dinner, but I often order food. I like watching movies in the evening. I watch movies 3 times a week. I also like listening to music and relaxing. On weekends, I spend time with my friends. We sometimes go to the park or eat at a restaurant. I always enjoy spending time with them. I don't like waking up early on weekends, so I usually wake up at 10 a.m. Sometimes I read a book or go for a walk. I like simple things because they help me feel relaxed and happy. New York City is always busy and loud. Some nights, when I try to sleep early, I hear cars, people, and loud music outside my window. I laugh and say, "This is New York City, the city that never sleeps." Then I put on my headphones, listen to calm music, and fall asleep. That was the end of Emma's free time. Go back, listen again, and try to underline or highlight any word you don't understand. And also try to copy what you hear so you can practice speaking and pronunciation. Next, let's move to the target vocabulary. Again, these are words that are used in the story that you may not know yet, but you definitely need to know. Number 1, free time. This means time when you are not working. Usually, you're doing things that you enjoy, just anything except working. Like in my free time, I like to read books. Number 2, relax. This is to rest and feel calm. For example, I like to relax on the beach. Number 3, movie. A movie is something fun to watch or something you watch for fun. For example, my favorite movie to watch is The Avengers. Number 4, weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So just the 2 days that are not a part of the weekday, okay? Saturday and Sunday, the weekend. Number 5, park. A park is a place outside with trees and grass. Usually children like to play in the park. They'll swing, they'll run. It's a good place to exercise, the park. Next, let's talk about the target phrasal verbs. So these are just expressions using verbs and some particle or preposition, but they're very useful. Number 1, go out or go out. This means to leave home to do something fun. For example, I want to go out to the park. Number 2, hang out or hang out. This means to spend time relaxing with people. I like to hang out with my friends and watch movies. Number 3, stay in or stay in. This means to stay at home or you remain at home. You don't leave. I like to stay in and watch movies on my couch. Number 4, put on or put on. This is to start wearing or using something. So you can put on clothes, put on a hat, put on perfume or cologne, put on a ring, a necklace. Those are some examples. Number 5, wind down or wind down. This is to relax after a busy day. So think of that time when you get home right after work. You need some time to wind down or like transition from work to relaxing. Next, let's talk about the grammar in the grammar focus. So in this story, mostly is in present simple. Again, we've talked about it before, but present simple you use for things you like or your routines or your habits. So you would use the present simple. Or in other words, use it for statements that are true. For example, I like movies. So I'm talking about something I like. You should say it in present simple. I like movies. Or she likes movies. If it's a negative sentence, of course, add don't or doesn't. I don't like waking up early. She doesn't like waking up early. If you want to ask a yes/no question about something someone likes, for example, do you like music? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Or does she like music? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. So again, in present simple, you can ask a person about what they like or they don't like. The next grammar that you see in the story are adverbs of frequency. We use these to describe how often an action happens. So of course, the frequency would be 100% of the time to 0% of the time, or from always to never. For example, always is 100% frequency, 100% of the time. Usually, it's probably maybe 80% of the time. Sometimes, about 50% of the time. Often, I would say maybe 50 or 60%. And never 0% of the time. Mostly, you use the adverb of time right before you use the verb. So, adverb of frequency, then the verb. Let's look at some examples. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. So, always is the adverb of frequency, and it's before the verb wake. I always wake. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. So 100% of the time, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I sometimes watch movies. So again, sometimes 50% of the time. Sometimes and then the verb. Sometimes watch. Sometimes go. Sometimes play. I often listen to music. So often listen. I often listen to music. So maybe 60% of the time, I listen to music. There are many adverbs of frequency. Again, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. So try to practice using these adverbs of frequency with a simple present verb. Next, let's move to the comprehension questions and answers. So I will ask the questions, try to answer. Are you ready? Let's go. What is her name? Her name is Emma. Where does she live? She lives in New York. Where does she work? She works in a cafe. Does she like her job? Yes, she does. She likes her job. What does she like after work? She likes her free time. What time does she go home? She goes home at 6 p.m. Does she always cook dinner? No, she doesn't. She doesn't always cook dinner. What does she sometimes do for dinner? She cooks dinner, or she sometimes cooks dinner. What does she often do instead? She orders food. What does she like to do in the evening? She likes watching movies. How many times a week does she watch movies? She watches movies 3 times a week. What else does she like to do? She likes listening to music and relaxing. What does she do on weekends? She spends time with her friends. Where do they sometimes go? They go to the park or a restaurant. Does she enjoy spending time with her friends? Yes, she does. Does she like waking up early on weekends? No, she doesn't. She doesn't like waking up early on weekends. What time does she wake up on weekends? She wakes up at 10 o'clock a.m. What does she sometimes do alone? She reads a book or goes for a walk. Why does she like simple things? Because they help her feel relaxed and happy. Is New York City quiet or busy? It is busy. What does she hear at night? She hears cars, people, and music. Does she sleep easily? No, she doesn't. What does she say about New York? She says, "This is New York City. the city that never sleeps. What does she put on? She puts on her headphones. What does she listen to? She listens to calm music. What happens at the end? She falls asleep. Does she live in New York? Yes, she does. She lives in New York. Does she work in an office or a cafe? She works in a cafe. Does she always cook dinner? No, she doesn't. She doesn't always cook dinner. Does she like movies? Yes, she does. She likes movies. Does she wake up early or late on weekends? She wakes up late. She wakes up late on weekends. So that's the end of this lesson on Emma's free time. If you have the book, try to practice the personal questions and the speaking practice with a partner or on your own so that you can know how to answer these questions. And again, go back and listen to the story many, many times and try to copy what you hear and practice those comprehension questions and answers. We'll see you next time on the English Zone channel.